CYNOS protocol is one of the free airdrop that do not require any investment, that you should not afford to miss, right? It's a free airdrop that is currently ongoing. Then you need to participate. So this is their pre-sale is now live, and what we are focusing on this video is their airdrop, which is their free airdrop. And you scroll top here, you can see there are some of the introduction of the project. So you scroll down, you can see some of the things. So this airdrop is just by participating in a task or completing a task, right, and earn a free tokens, which will be list in the future. So their total this tokenomics is 1 billion, right? So these are two, you can read more about them, right? So once you tap on here, you can see roadmap. Once you tap on the roadmap, you can see it here. You need to register before, so I will leave the link in the description section or comment section of this video. Once you tap on the link, it will bring it to you. So here you enter your username, your email, password, confirm password, and the referral code also will be automatically filled in. After that, then you tap on create account. So if you look at our dashboard, you can see everything is 00 here because this is our first time we are creating our account. So what you need to do is tap on the three or the hamburger section here. Once you tap on, you tap on airdrop. So once you tap on airdrop, you can see airdrop campaign, right? Season 1 airdrop campaign is currently ongoing. So after you complete all these tasks, you earn 1,500 CYNOS with the native token, right? So the first thing you need to do is to follow their X and earn 500, retweet their pin post 500, join Telegram 500, and verify your social media handle with their Twitter, and paste your retweet link and Telegram username. After that, you tap on claim. So let me do that now. So guys, after you claim the 1,500 CYNOS token, it will bring you to here. You can see verify your submission. So our team is reviewing your airdrop claim. So you can see it is on pending, right? Pending reward, right? So guys, submitted mark. So they are reviewing it. After that, it will be automatically approved. So verification in progress. Your submission will be reviewed within 24 hours, right? And receive your tokens once approved. So you want to earn more, invite friends and earn up to 20% commission in USDT or CYNOS tokens. So you can tap here, start referring to get your referral, which is referral link to share with your friends. So here is where you can copy your referral link, right, to share with your friends, so that you can also earn more, right? You can see we have commission tiers, right? We have bronze, silver, diamond, which is gold, right? So you can see after you earn something from the referral commission, you also earn something to withdraw here, right? So you can see your total referral appear here, active, those are active, and total and available also, right? So now you can see current tier is on bronze, right? So you can see referral earnings or referral commission 20%, right? So once you tap on here, also you can see you can come to the stake section here. Once you tap on the stake, you can see staking coming soon. Staking will be activated immediately after the token generation event, which is the TGE. Prepare your token to earn up to 40% APY, right? So you can see notify me when active, right? So you can also tap here and do that now. Once you tap on the withdrawal section here, also you can see withdrawal lock during pre-sale. To ensure market stability and fair distribution, token withdrawal are currently paused, right? You will able to withdraw your CYNOS token automatically to your provided wallet address immediately after the pre-sale conclude and the event, the token generation event TG occurs, right? So you can see during the TG or when the TG happen, you may able to paste your ERC20 address and then initiate your withdrawal, right? So after all this come, you'll be notified, right, guys, on this channel. So guys, stay tuned for every further update. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that whenever I release any update about this project or any money making tips, you'll not be missed, right? So if you have any question, you can drop in the comment section, or if you want to join our WhatsApp group or our crypto community, check the link in the description section or comment section of this video and join us so that we can also earn together. So to bring tech, let's earn and grow together. See you guys in my next video.